we also discussed the most in-demand skills in the space tech industry, and I think that's going to help me align my efforts and my directions henceforth, and hopefully find a really good opportunity in the industry.
The question and answering section, the interaction is totally clear. So whatever things we asked, they explained in detail.
I got to know the things which I did not know, and by knowing that information, I can know where to start and all the stuff. So this has really helped me.
One thing greatly of importance to us was knowing that there are people who have the skill set and are actively looking for working in the space technology sector. So that's what the takeaway, and I think if certain people and these skill sets, the early companies get access to, we can build a vibrant space ecosystem in India. It was nice to know that some of the talents that we are looking for can come from experienced people, even young innovators, students freshly out of college or actively looking to work on these particular areas. And I think we found a match there, and definitely be looking more aggressively towards it.